Welcome to our class. Now I want to talk about computer maintenance. How do you maintain your computer? There are various ways you can maintain your computer, just the way you maintain your handset. So we have 1,001 ways to maintain and keep your computer safe. Honestly, the list can be exhausted. It ranges from how you place your computer to where you place them, from how you open applications to where you get the application from. Without much ado, man, let's go in and discuss various ways or steps you can take to maintain your computer. First, let's start with how you place your computer. Never place your computer on a concrete or floor. Avoid placing the computer directly on the floor. For example, you place the computer on a desk or a stand to prevent dust and debris from entering the system. So don't place it on the floor, on the ground, okay? Why should you not do that? Because if you place it on a desktop, it helps to reduce the risk of dust building and physical damage. Because when dust build up, it may lead to physical damage of your computer or maybe some of the chips that runs on your computer, okay? Now let's move to the next one, use of power surge protectors. The electricity in Nigeria or in your country may not be that stable. If you live in a country where electricity is not stable like ours in Nigeria, then you have to protect your computer from voltage spikes and power surges, okay? For example, you can use surge protector to plug in your computer and peripheral, okay? What's the benefit of that? It prevents damage to computer's power supply, also to the internal component during power fluctuation. So for your computer to remain intact, everything to be okay, always make use of power surge, okay? So what about physical security? Yes, you have to physically protect your computer, okay? Yes, protect the computer from theft and unauthorized access. Sometimes it's good to password your computer, and also make sure that it's not out of your sight. For example, you can use cable locks to secure the computer to a desk or a workstation if you are not right there with your laptop or your computer. What is the benefit? It prevents theft and ensure the computer is used by only authorized personnel only. At least the authorized personnel must have your password, okay? Proper ventilation is needed for your computer. Yes, you have to keep the computer cool and also try to prevent overheating your computer. For example, ensure there is adequate space around the computer for air circulation and use fans or cooling pads if necessary. Even make sure that your processor fan is working as well as every other fan that is fused to your laptop or your computer. What are the benefits? The benefit is that you prolong the lifespan of all the components by preventing overheating. You prolong the lifespan of your computer. Smoking. Avoid smoking near the computer. For example, smoke can cause residue buildup on internal components, and this can lead to overheating and hardware failure. So while you are working on computer, don't just be, as you are dropping those things, you are actually damaging your computer, right? Yeah. So about light and thunder deflector. Yeah, you have to protect your computer from power surges that's caused by lightning. So you can use an uninterruptible power supply UPS with surge protector during thunderstorm. Okay. And what is the benefit? To prevent electrical damage from lightning strikes on your computer. How about eating and drinking? See, someone is eating, drinking, is taking alcohol, or maybe a coffee, and you are drinking, you are walking. No, you don't do that. Yeah, this is to avoid spilling, okay? Because spills can damage the keyboard and internal component of your computer. So make sure that when you want to take your lunch or you want to take your tea, your coffee, move away from the computer, okay? This helps to prevent accidental spills and reduce the risk of damage. Sitting or standing on top of a computer, please don't do that. Don't just do that, okay? Avoid placing a heavy object on top of the computer. Do not sit or stand on the computer case or place object on top of the computer case, okay? Because this will prevent physical damage to the case and also internal components. Apart from this one, we say about that maintenance measure that you have to implement, There are so many others, like regular cleaning. You can use compressed air to clean dust from the computer's interior and exterior, Okay, clean the keyboard, the mouse, the monitor regularly to keep them functioning properly. Okay, software updates like your McAfee, antivirus, any device you are using, and all that, your window update, So keep the operating system, drivers, and application up to date at all time. Okay, regularly check for and install update to ensure that the computer runs smoothly and securely. Because some update, if it's expired, may affect your computer in terms of security and others. Data backups. Regularly back up important data to an external drive, okay, and cloud storage. So if there's any case that your computer if your computer crash, you can easily know where to go and get your backup. Maybe if you are going to change the hard disk or anything, you can go and get a backup somewhere that you store it. Okay, but if you didn't do that, if your computer crash, well, then you're your own. Okay, so you have to use backup software to schedule automatic backups of critical files. Okay, so what have we learned so far? In summary, what we have studied so far is that we need to keep our computer devices clean, maintain it, and in a safe place. Okay, input device, keyboard, mouse, scanner, output device, monitor, printer, speakers, outside storage device, HDD, SSD, USB, flash drive, all of them. Make sure that you keep them clean, okay, and make sure that you maintain all of them. Okay, what about your software component like operating system like Windows, macOS, Linux, application software, programs like Microsoft Office, Adobe Photoshop, Google Chrome, utility software like antivirus program, disk cleanup, tools, backup software, and other software like limited tools, Visual Studio Code, DBMS, and the rest of them. Always keep them up to date, okay, to make sure that virus and other things not enter inside any of them and corrupt these software applications. Okay, so that's what we discussed so far. And also to that, you must try as much as you could to always maintain your computer. So you can join us in our YouTube class, and you can also join us on our Facebook training class. You can also join us on TikTok. Remember, these are the basis for this training. And please invite as many people as you can. Let them come and learn because we are going far. This is just the theory, but now start practical. You will know that we are in for business. So see you in our next class where we'll go to part 5 of this class. See you. Thank you.